Hello everyone, now I'm with Cyansky M23R here. This one is a small flashlight that is very powerful. This one 1200 lumens max, and for the max throw about 110 meters throw. Okay, for the beam distance. The lens is Fresnel lens. It can give you really good combination of throw and flood. The LED is Lumiled L1HX white LED. This LED is 6500K. Okay, here magnetic tail cap and two-way clip. This is very good because you can use it with your cap, something like that. Okay, the battery inside here, this one 16340 battery 800 milliamp. Okay, this one USB-C charging port here. Okay, this is very convenient. Okay, for the beam I really like this. The beam of this one is a combination of throw and flood. Okay, I think let's have a look at the lumens data. Okay, here. Okay, let's see. For the white light, there are about five brightness level. The lowest is equal to lumens about 150 hours, and low 25 lumens 20 hours, medium 120 lumens 4 hours, high 350 lumens about 1.5 hours. High seems to be a sustained brightness. Okay. Turbo 1200 lumens, it lasts about 50 minutes. Actually turbo lasts about 1 minute and then it steps down to about high. Okay. Strobe 1200 lumens and SOS 120 lumens. And also red light, okay, red, constant red and red flash for 5 lumens here. Constant red 7 hours, red flash 14 hours. Okay. For impact resistant about 2 meters, and for the waterproof IP68. Okay, here this is about the lumens data, and this is runtime graph. Okay, as I said, turbo lasts about 1 minute and then it steps down to about high or higher than high. Okay, here for the high mode, here you can see that it is 350 lumens and it is quite constant. I try it for about 5 minutes. It doesn't seem to step down, just warm. This is very good. Okay, this is about runtime graph. Okay, let's see how it works. To use this flashlight, there's only one side switch here. One click to turn on and one click to turn off. When it is on, press and hold to cycle through brightness mode. Okay, this is low, medium, and high. Okay. It has memory function. It can memorize low, medium, high. Turbo is hidden. You have to double click here. This is turbo. Okay. And if you want to access strobe, 3 clicks, 1, 2, 3 here, like this. Okay. Press and hold for 0.5 seconds will access SOS. Okay, here like this. Okay, you get everything in this flashlight. Okay, I will one click to turn off here. Okay, if you want to access eco mode, moon mode, you have to press and hold from off here like this. Okay, this is the moon mode. The moon mode, here there are 3 types of light here. When you press and hold from off, you will get eco. Okay, eco or moon mode, constant red and red flash. Okay, to access red flash or red, you have to press and hold for 0.5 seconds. Okay, like this here. Okay, this is constant red and then press and hold again. This is red flash. Okay, it also has a memory function for this function. I will turn off and then press and hold. Okay, here like this. This is very good. Okay, to lock and unlock the flashlight, you have to make 4 clicks from off. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. This is locked. Okay, and to unlock 4 clicks, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here this is unlocked. Okay, in my opinion, I like this flashlight because the size is small, but the power, the beam, it is really good. Okay, but it would be great if I can get the 4000K version. Okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay everyone, now I'm with Cyansky new flashlight M23R here. This is the low mode. Okay, low mode, wow, I can say that it's good enough for walking around. Okay, really good beam from fishnail lens, good throw and good spill. Let's go to medium. Okay, here is medium. Wow, I can see the basketball go there quite clear. Combination of throw and flood. Okay, this is very good. Okay, let's go to the house here. Wow, you see that? Really good beam. Let's go to high mode. Here, high mode. Okay. High mode seems to be a sustained brightness. I have tried high mode for about 5 minutes. It doesn't seem to step down. Actually, in the manual for the runtime graph of high, it's quite long. Okay. This is high mode. Okay, let's go to turbo. Here, double click. You see that? Wow. It's really floody. Very good throw and good spill. This LED and this lens. Okay. Here the beam can cover all the basketball court. Okay. If you want mini EDC flashlight that can give you a brightness like this, okay, 1200 lumens. This one I think is a good choice. Okay. Turbo can last about 1 minute and then it step down too high. Okay, this is very good. You get everything in this flashlight. Also red light, strobe, and also red blink, something like that. Okay, magnetic tail cap. Very good beam. Here, I think it's stepping down. Here, it stepped down already. Okay, to about high mode. Okay. If you want to go to strobe, just 3-click. 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, here, very powerful strobe. Okay, and then you can also get SOS here. Okay. Okay, I'll go back to high. Okay. If you want to go to red, okay, you have to turn off and then press and hold. Here, this is red. Okay, quite low. You cannot use red for walking around. No, it's not enough. Okay, and this is red blink. That's it. Okay, and then this is like moon mode. Okay. Okay, I'll go back to here. This is high mode. Overall, okay, I think this is a very good EDC flashlight. You get everything in this small flashlight and it's really powerful, really good beam. Combination of throw and flood. Okay, very good. The tint, okay, in my opinion, this tint is quite white for me and it's a little bit green in low mode. I think 5000K would be great, or 4000K. Okay. Actually, it has 4000K version. I prefer 4000K version, but I didn't get it. Okay. Overall, it's good and I love it. I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.